In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two nuts for the engine cover. Remove the engine cover. There's a push button for this connector. Push on that. It'll release, and you can remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Pull straight up and remove the ignition coil. Install the ignition coil. Get the bolt started. Snug it down. And install the connector. Repeat the process for all the rest of the coils. Install the cover. Install the nuts and snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.